Welcome back to Caden Weather. Today we're talking about the major winter storm putting an impact on the northern part of the United States. We have winter storm warnings currently in effect for parts of Michigan, stretching all the way to parts of North Dakota. I'll be giving you guys a lot of updates on that. Also, we have some severe weather going on in Tennessee with a tornado warning currently in effect for some parts of Tennessee. I'll give you guys updates on that as well. Now, I want to start off with winter storm coverage, and I want to talk about the temperatures. So, first, I'm going to show you a map of the high temperatures for today. Now I want to focus on parts of North Dakota, Minnesota, and Wisconsin where the storm is majorly impacting that area. So if you look at the high temperatures today, it'll be in the 20s to 30s to 40s. Now I also really want to focus on the lows tonight, which will be extremely cold for some areas. If you look at North Dakota and Minnesota, we're seeing negative 8 degrees tonight in Minot, North Dakota, negative 7 in Grand Forks, negative 2 in Fargo, North Dakota, and 8 degrees at the low tonight in Minneapolis, Minnesota. So as you can see, we're going to get below zero and extremely cold temperatures tonight in those areas. Now, if we look at the current radar, the HRRR forecast, as you can see, here is a snow, and it's just exactly where the winter storm warnings are. We're seeing lots of heavy snow, up to 8 inches of snow in some areas with this snowstorm. Now, if we take a look into the future, it's going to move out. It's going to go into Canada. It will stick around for a while. This is by Monday. So it's gonna be out of here by the end of the week. So by about this is still Monday. So it's gonna go out earlier than I thought. It's gonna be out by Tuesday. So all day Monday you're gonna be dealing with snow, but by Tuesday it'll be out of here. So again, it's a major winter storm, and then that's Canada's problem once it gets out of here. Now I want to look at the same model, but I want to focus your attention more on the south now. This is a severe weather. As you can see, the severe weather is going to continue tonight in parts of Arkansas, Tennessee, in parts of Alabama, Mississippi, and it continues to go south. So again, we're keeping an eye on that. There's a slight risk issued for today, so just be warned, there is some severe weather down there that is producing some tornado warnings. Let's look at the extended forecast. Now, as you can see, we just talked about that. Now, there are some chances for people who are going to have first snow of the year. Now, I think that is including my area, but it's a really low chance. I'm going to tell you why in just a second. So if we fast forward to this weekend, because that's when the chances are, so Colorado is going to have this big snowstorm, not really snowstorm even, that's pretty normal for them to have this, but it's going to move east, and some areas that have never had snow yet are going to get snow. That includes Kansas, that includes Oklahoma, and some parts of Texas Panhandle. So we can see snow in some areas, and there's probably a lot more areas, even Missouri. There's probably a lot more areas I didn't mention, but we could be seeing some first snow. So check your forecast, check your local forecast in your area, and see if you have a chance of snow this weekend, because you might. That is going to wrap it up for today's video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you like weather-related content. Again, here's one more look at the winter storm warnings, and let me refresh this and give you guys the latest update on that tornado warning, and it's still there. So I'm going to go to their local forecast here, and here's the radar. So I want to click on that tornado warning and see where it's at. So that is currently until 5:45 p.m. So by the time this video is uploaded, it will be expired. But that's for central Henderson and northwestern Decatur counties in Tennessee. So again, this will be expired by the time I end this video. But throughout the night, we do expect the severe weather to continue. And yes, one part of the United States is getting a winter storm and the blizzard warnings in some areas, while the other part's getting severe weather. So I'm going to wrap it up for today's video. If any weather questions, I'm pretty busy this week, but I try to answer them. But stay safe, stay weather. We'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.